All right, y'all, today we're gonna make Cajun stuffed pasta shells. Let's go. All right, y'all, just go ahead on and dice up a half of the green bell pepper. And go ahead on and dice up another half of a yellow bell pepper, y'all. You don't wanna go with the whole thing, it'll be too much for this recipe. So like I say, just do half of each bell pepper. Go ahead with some fresh parsley. Go ahead on and chop you about a half a cup would be good for this recipe. And dice up a half a large onion, okay? Go ahead on and take your vegetables, all this parsley, onions, and all this good stuff, y'all. Throw it to the side. All right, y'all, so I went with 2 chicken breasts, and I just cut them right down the middle, so they're a little bit thinner. Just go ahead on and cut your chicken down like this, y'all. And then go ahead on, we'll cut some cubes out of it, okay? I hit that with my Cajun seasoning. Some garlic powder. And I hit it with that pepper, y'all. The game changer, y'all, is my barbecue shrimp seasoning. Go ahead on, just, you know what I'm saying? Something like this, okay? And that's when you're gonna be like, people's gonna be like, man, what is on that chicken? All right, y'all go with 12 ounces of these jumbo pasta shells in that hot water. Go ahead and get those al dente. All right, y'all, hit that pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Hit it with a tablespoon of butter. All right, y'all, go up in there with that chicken. All right, y'all go ahead and take that chicken out, put it on the plate, but leave the juice behind. Another tablespoon of olive oil, tablespoon of butter. Get you a pound of shrimp, season the shrimp the same way we did that chicken, y'all. All right, y'all, go ahead and take them shrimp out and put it with the chicken. All right, y'all go in there with all the vegetables and half the parsley we cut up. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. All right, y'all, I had to transfer it to a bigger pot. Go in there with 2 tablespoons of butter. 2½ cups of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Garlic powder and Cajun seasoning, y'all. Alright, y'all, once your sauce is thickened, go ahead up in there with your chicken and your shrimp. Alright, y'all, so we went ahead and stuffed the shells. Now go ahead and take some of that sauce we made and pour it right over the top like that. Go ahead and top it off now with some mozzarella cheese. Hit it with that parsley. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, throw it in there for 20 minutes. All right, y'all, go ahead and check that out. I guarantee you're gonna love this recipe.